If you want clients to actually reply to your Upwork proposals, your closing line matters more than you think. A strong call to action doesn't just end a message, it guides the client to the next step, making it clear, easy, and irresistible to respond. In this video, we are diving into 10 high performing call to actions you can use in your Upwork cover letters to boost replies and start real conversations. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more freelancing tips. Now here is the thing about CTA. Most freelancers either forget to add one or just write something generic like looking forward, but clients need directions. They need a gentle push, not pressure, to take the next step. The right call to action turns your proposal from passive to powerful. And the best part, you don't need to be salesy or pushy, you just need to be intentional. So let's start with the first one. Would you like me to send over a quick game plan based on your goals? Clients love proactive freelancer. This type of CTA positions you as someone who can think ahead, not just execute. It shifts the focus away from just selling your skill and instead shows that you are already considering how to deliver value. You're not just waiting for instruction, you are ready to lead. Now let's look at another one that's feel confident but is still casual. If it sounds like I could be a good fit, let's connect. I will keep my calendar open for you this week. Friendly, confident, and non-pushy. It gives the client room to decide but nudges them toward action with availability. You are showing readiness without pressure and letting them know you are serious about working with them by prioritizing time on your calendar. Here's the one that gives a little taste of your strategy upfront. Want to see how I would approach this? I can send a short 2-step breakdown for free. You're offering upfront value for free. It is a small but powerful trust builder. This type of CTA shows generosity and expertise. Clients love when you take initiative, especially if you're willing to give without asking for commitment right away. Next up is a great CTA for starting an actual conversation. I would love to learn more about your project goals. Would a quick 10-minute call work for you this week? It's a casual, low pressure, and specific. Clients hate vague phrases like let's chat sometime, let's chat tomorrow, or something like that. You are now just showing that you value their time and that you're already thinking about how to make the conversation efficient and focused. If your client prefer messages over meetings, then this one is ideal. Just let me know if you would prefer messages or a call. I'm flexible and happy to chat however easiest for you. This CTA removes friction, giving the client a choice, make it easier for them to say yes. You are being accommodating and that's make you feel like a real partner, not just a service provider. Now here's the one that adds just the right touch of urgency. If you are available later today or tomorrow, I can set aside some time for you. Just let me know. It creates urgency without pressure. The phrase just for you adds a feeling of exclusivity. It tells the client that they are priority and if they are ready to act fast, you are right there with them. Here is a creative one that stand out, especially if you want to go to the extra mile. Would it help if I recorded a 1-minute video walkthrough of how I would handle this task? This is a standout offer. Very few freelancers suggest creating a personalized video upfront. It feels bespoke and thoughtful, which instantly sets you apart from cookie cutter proposals. If they say yes, it's your chance to show personality and build trust visually. Now let's look at a CTA that builds intrigue by offering proof. I have helped clients with similar challenges before. If you would like, I can share a few examples privately. This CTA combines credibility with curiosity. You are not just name dropping results, you're offering them personally. It signals confidence without oversharing, and that's exclusive field makes clients more likely to respond. Now, here is a good one for timeline sensitive projects. Let me know what timeline you're working with. I can adapt my schedule to meet your deadlines. Many projects stall because of vague timing. This CTA helps avoid that and shows that you are proactive and flexible. You are making it easy for the client to picture you fitting seamlessly into their workflow. And finally, here's a bold CTA for when the client just need action. Want to skip the back and forth? Just drop me a line and we will get this moving today. Direct, confident, and perfect for urgent jobs. This CTA works well when the client has a just get it done mindset. It shows that you are ready to act now and take responsibility without delay, a tone many busy clients appreciate. So there you have it. 10 powerful call to action to transform your proposals. The truth is, your proposal doesn't need to be perfect, but your CTA, that what makes the clients reply. Choose one that matches the tone of your message and test what works for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.